Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Folks, at the big Volvo shop in ABQ, check out this V90. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I need to take this thing for a test drive, see if I can get it up on two wheels. It's a T5. I'd rather test drive a T8. The black 850 that I was tinkering with yesterday, the owner took the oil cap off and didn't put it back on tight, and when she drove somewhere, it was spraying oil out of the oil filler hole across the engine, got on the exhaust manifold. When she got where she was going, that little bit of oil spray had the engine smoking. She opened up the hood, seen the oil dripping down on the ground. She freaked out. She thought that seal popped out. So I went down to the dealer, got the cam seal, got the thermostat. I'll probably spend another 10 bucks, maybe 15, but at least I get this stuff out of the way for her. She's got that stuff behind her. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and change the thermostat, change this cam seal for her, and get back home. Today, she got a new boost leak. The hose came off of the little hose on the PTC. Somebody put some cheap, soft, aftermarket hose on that, so I'm going to have to put a piece of silicone on that, because that's another boost leak, causing oil spray everywhere. Let me take this hose loose so I can get at that cam sensor and get this rolling. That thing is spitting out some good oil. Heck, I can see the seal sticking out against the plate on the back of it. Seal was... Oh, it's an aftermarket seal somebody got in here. I gotta get that out of there. It's petcock with my hand. That's good. Bottle's empty a little bit more, and I'll be able to get that thermostat out without busting up any bolts. It was in the car. The gasket feels good, so it must have been leaking at one time, and I replaced the gasket. But the thermostat, as you can see, it broke. When it broke, it cocked the spring and it stuck open. So this thermostat's no good, probably good for a flush stat, but it's trash to me. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.